Good morning again and welcome to the Limpopo High Court. We are at Konabikhat and Bodenstein. This is where the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Michael Masutha, will be officially opening this court. I said earlier on that the court was proclaimed on the 15th of January and it opened doors on the 25th of January. And so far, a lot of cases have been judged here. Let me bring now the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Mike Masutha, to talk to us about this historical moment that we are going to observe today. Minister Masutha, good morning and welcome to Morning Live. The opening of Limpopo High Court. What does it mean to the people of this province?
Well, first of all, it is the very first High Court ever built by democratic South Africa. But secondly, there were only two provinces after 1994 which did not have their own dedicated courts. It was Limpopo and Mpumalanga. So today we are opening the High Court for Limpopo, and next year we will be doing the same for Mpumalanga. What this means is that the people of Limpopo will no longer have to travel to Tshwane to receive services of the High Court. And when we say services, we talk of the full services that you get at a court, be they legal aid, master's office, the family advocate services. The NPA is established here, the state attorney is established here. So all the key stakeholders of the court have already established themselves from January this year. And today it's basically to officially confirm to the people of this province that we're ready for business. Everything is in place for us to provide a full service at this court.
Talking about people traveling from here to Pretoria, we understand that the Northern Gauteng High Court had over 100 cases. Talk to us about that. What's going to happen to all the cases that are in Pretoria now that this province has got its own jurisdiction?
Well, actually about 57 or so cases were transferred from the Tshwane High Court, the Pretoria division, to here. And so far the court roll here has been for this year at 220 cases, of which about 116 have in fact already been finalized. So we're seeing quite a bit of efficiency showing up, given the fact that the court has not yet gained its full complement. The president transferred 3 judges from other divisions on top of the JSC having recommended to him appointing the judge president and the deputy judge president, who are the judges that started the court in January. There's still 2 more vacancies that will be filled as soon as the recommendations of the JSC of October sitting are approved by the president any time from now, as well as 2 more positions which will be filled after the sitting of the JSC in April next year.
Minister, lastly, let's talk about the court in Thohoyandou and the other one in Lephalale. What will be their role now that we've got this structure here?
What we've also done as part of restructuring our high court system is to make sure that in a province we establish local seats which are there to ensure that local people do not have to travel long distances to the main seat of the court. So here is going to be the main seat of the court of Limpopo as a whole, but Thohoyandou becomes the local seat of this court, and Lephalale, once we have completed the infrastructure refurbishing there, will also establish a local seat. Now what that means is that unlike a circuit where you don't get a full service, a local seat is just as good as a main seat. You get all the services and the judges are literally stationed at the local seat itself.
Thank you, Minister. That was Minister of Constitutional Justice and Constitutional Development, Mike Masutha. We are now going to the studio. Villian is ready with our sports news.